In this session, we're going to learn about how to protect your workbooks against unauthorization access or unauthorized modification. And there comes up a situation that when you have completely prepared up your workbook and it contains very confidential information, just like your social security numbers, or it may contain the values of your company's revenues, your profits, and you don't really want these things to turn up into wrong hands. You don't really want somebody to mistakenly access this file and come to know about everything about your company. So in that kind of a scenario, you can put a password protection on your workbook by following the procedures which we are going to discuss in this video. So say I have this workbook prepared over here, and I need to password protect this workbook. So all I need to do is I need to go on to the file tab over here, and while save as button is pressed and a new dialog box appears for saving up my workbook, I need to go on to this tools tab over here, tools menu, and go on to the journal options, and then it is going to ask me for the two types of passwords. Now the password to open is that this password prompt would come up whenever you're trying to open up a new workbook in Excel. And the password to modify is that if you have opened up a workbook and you are trying to edit your workbook with certain changes, then it is going to ask you for a password again, which would be the password to modify. So I put in a password, say password to open as 12345, and put a password to modify as a 98765, and press the OK button. So it is going to ask me for a confirmation of the password. The first password is the password to open. So I put in 12345. The next password is re-enter password modification. So that is 98765. So clicking the OK button, now my file has been password protected and it is ready to be saved in the C drive of my computer. So pressing on the save button, uh, sorry, we just need to change the name of this. So I put in Excel 2.0 over here, and pressing the save button has saved it at the back end. So if I were to close on to this and open up the same workbook in the C drive, Excel 2.0, you can see it is now asking me that this file is protected and I need a password to open up this workbook, which happens to be 12345. Now it is asking me that it is also reserved for a Lenovo, and for write access I need to put in the second password also. So I need to put in 98765. So okay, now it opens up the workbook and I can go ahead and modify it and change any parameters and resave it all over again. So this is all about the password protection of your workbook in Excel. Thank you for watching.